I've made over $32,000 in the past 30 days using Faceless YouTube videos. In today's video, I want to show you a new software that helps you create faceless YouTube videos in just a few clicks. This software is Invideo AI, and they've just done a massive update to the system. Invideo now has crazy generative capabilities that none of the other software right now have, and I'm going to show you how this works in this video. All right, so once you've created your account, you can go to Create AI Video, start from scratch, and when you're in this screen, make sure that you've got Invideo AI version 3.0 selected. This version 3.0 is the new update that I mentioned just earlier in this video, and it does so much more than Sora, Runway, Pika, or any of the other AI video generators. This new update will allow you to create videos by just typing in a text prompt, and it will generate the clips and the media for you. So previously, Invideo and other video generators allow you to select some pre-made stock footage and images. This new update from Invideo actually generates both the video and the images from scratch. So if you want to create any kind of a story or an educational video, you can see just a couple of examples here on the screen. Invideo will generate those for you and put them into your actual video. So let me show you how this works. And unlike, for example, Sora, which has been announced but not launched yet, Invideo is already here. You don't need to use any other services to generate your images or to generate your videos. Invideo is an all-in-one package that will do all of that for you, and I want to show you how this works. So let's just say you have a YouTube channel that is dedicated to creating documentaries, which are, by the way, an awesome idea if you want to run a faceless YouTube channel. And let's say you decide to create a documentary about Donald Trump. So the first way that you can create videos with version 3.0 of Invideo is to find an article online on a website. Here I've Googled for the interesting facts and story of Donald Trump. I found this article that looks pretty interesting, and we can take this link to this article and we just enter this prompt into Invideo AI version 3.0, create a 2-minute video for YouTube using this blog link, and then we insert this blog link. You can add some modifiers that you want. Here I've added make it interesting, informative, controversial, provide cool facts, add tension. So as the first way of creating a documentary style video, let's see how we go with this. I've put in 2 minutes, but of course you can go 10 or 15 minutes, any length that you want. Let's click Generate AI Video. I'll pause this and I'll come back to you in just a second. So Invideo so far has analyzed that link and summarized it, and it's just working through. It's now come up with the title, The Unstoppable Rise of Donald Trump, from real estate mogul to political powerhouse. Now it's preparing and it's working through step by step through all of the steps of making a video. All right, we are now asked to enter a few more settings, and here at the top you can either choose stock media, and stock media will be where Invideo can just pull the images and the videos from stock image sites like Shutterstock and Pexels, etc. But what I want to show you today is, of course, generative media, which is the new capability. And here we choose a few more options. Visual style, we want to go for realistic, but you can choose anime or animation depending on the niche and topic of your video. Then audience, we want to choose general public, I would say, and platform, yes, we want to go with YouTube. And let's now click continue. So the video is now being generated, and Invideo AI is creating every single pixel from scratch. It's not using any pre-made videos, any pre-made images. Hey, so our video is ready. I'm just gonna play a little bit of a sample for you. I think you're gonna find it amazing.
The 2016 Republican primary was shaping up to be a circus, with Donald Trump as the unexpected ringmaster. The GOP establishment was in panic mode. Trump was leading in the polls, but surely, they thought, it couldn't last. His brash style and controversial statements had pundits predicting his downfall.
Hey, I'm just gonna pause it here, but this is mind-blowing. I mean, every single pixel, every single video, everything, voice, music, everything got generated automatically by AI. I'll play you this whole video towards the end, so you'll have a chance to watch the whole video, but now let's just move on. Now, this is basically the first cut of your video. So here you can preview everything, and you can see like all of the images. Look at this. This is the image of Trump that got auto-generated. Okay, these are all the different kind of reactions here that you can see. Everything has been done by AI, which is completely mind-blowing. Now, you can give a command here to edit the video. You can do it in 2 different ways. You can either just type in and interact with it, kind of the same way that you would interact with ChatGPT, or you can also click the edit button over here to actually directly edit it. So here you can give a command such as translate to French. You can say make it longer, make it more dramatic, whatever you want. You can just interact with it and it'll do it for you over here. You can also click this edit button, and with the edit button, you've got the ability to directly regenerate or edit any of the scripts components as well as the actual media components. So over here you can go into script, and this is the script that got generated. You can change any of this, and of course after you make any of these changes, then the video will get regenerated automatically based on these changes. But you can see here, this is the script that's being said, and this is the actual media component. Okay, so it says generative media. You can click on it and you can see the exact prompt that was used for these generative media. It says Republican candidates at debate podium. Okay, so that's what we're seeing here. Close up of Trump speaking passionately. Okay, here there'll be close up of Trump speaking passionately. That's going to be the media that's being used. So you can see everything, the whole layout of the video, and you can change any of these components. You can then go into the media. Okay, and this is the kind of like the video of Trump. As you scroll through, like for example, maybe you don't like this shot, the shot of a newsroom. If you don't like this and you want to replace this, you just go and you can replace it with your own media, so you can upload it. You can change it to any stock media that you'd like, or generative media. So for example, I can click generative media and I can choose any of these pre-made ones, or I can click the plus sign to something like Joe Biden speaking passionately. Okay, and then we can click generate a clip and it'll generate that clip and replace it with this clip. And look at all these bits of media that got generated. They're all videos. Each one got generated pixel by pixel with Invideo AI based on the settings. Now, this is not the only style of videos that Invideo AI can do. I'm going to show you a few other prompts. Let's say if you wanted to generate an ad for a company, you can say create a 30 seconds ad video for YouTube about Coca-Cola but strawberry flavored. Use wide cinematic shots and close-ups of the products from time to time. Generate the video. Let me show you the result.
Imagine the sweetness of summer, combined with the refreshing taste you love. Introducing Coca-Cola Strawberry, a flavor explosion that'll make your taste buds dance.
Okay, so a totally different style, but still very, very cool. And every single bit has been generated with AI. Now, here's like a food recipe video as well. Guys, this is completely insane. I mean, look at the stuff that it's made from scratch, from nothing. This is not stock video, not stock footage. I hope you're as impressed as I am. I've never seen anything like this, the way that it looks and how easy it is to actually use. With Invideo, you can interact in any way that you want within this AI generation box. Here is just one example. You basically say in your own words, you give specific instructions on what you would like to have created, create a 30 seconds ad video for YouTube, etc. Or create a 1 minute long food video and then specify your details. Or create a rapid cut short video for YouTube. Basically, you can give any kind of command in natural language and Invideo will interpret and understand it. With all of these videos that you make, you've also got the ability to change the music. So you can replace the music with your own uploaded music, or you can just use the built-in stock music. And every single line of this script can also, of course, be changed too. Plus, you've got some more settings over here where you can change the overlay presets and transition presets to kind of get a little bit more control over the style of editing that the video will have. Down here at the bottom, you've got characters, and this controls what kind of voices are involved. So you can change all of these. To get your access to Invideo AI, just go and click any of the links in the description below. And you can get started for free, and that way you can learn everything that you want about the functionality of Invideo AI just here on the free plan. However, if you're serious about your business and if you're serious about growing on social media on YouTube, then I recommend that you go for the generative plan. With the generative plan, you get a very generous allowance of generative credits, so you get 900, and this is the biggest difference between the plans. You will see the normal AI generation, you get 200 minutes on the top two plans and 50 minutes on the plus plan. However, with the generative credits, you only get 60 generative credits on the plus plan, 60 generative credits on the max plan, and 900, so a lot more generative credits on the generative plan. So if you're planning to use a lot of media and a lot of footage and images that are generated by Invideo from scratch, then it makes absolute sense to go for the generative credits. You get 900 of them here on the generative plan. But of course, depending on your needs, you can always get started with a free plan and then upgrade as you need to go along. So thank you so much for watching. I'm just going to play this video in full and I'll see you in the next video.
The 2016 Republican primary was shaping up to be a circus, with Donald Trump as the unexpected ringmaster. The GOP establishment was in panic mode. Trump was leading in the polls, but surely, they thought, it couldn't last. His brash style and controversial statements had pundits predicting his downfall at every turn. But Trump kept defying expectations, tapping into a vein of discontent that many had underestimated. Then came the rumors. A game-changing endorsement was on the horizon. January 19, 2016. Ames, Iowa. The crowd was electric, the air thick with anticipation. And then, there she was. Sarah Palin, the darling of the Tea Party, took the stage.
Are you ready to make America great again?
Palin's voice rang out, sealing an alliance that would shake the GOP to its core. In that moment, everything changed. Trump's outsider status? Gone. The establishment's worst nightmare was unfolding before their eyes. Palin's endorsement wasn't just symbolic. It was a bridge between Trump and the Tea Party movement.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please hit the like button just underneath, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and after you've done that, go ahead and watch this video next. This will show you another way to earn on YouTube with Faceless AI videos. Thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video.